For all of human history, birth has been biological, raw, messy, miraculous. But what if the future of childbirth didn't need a mother's body? What if wombs went digital? Welcome, brain cell ballers, to a future where life begins, not in nature, but in code and chrome. This isn't sci-fi anymore. In 2017, scientists at the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia grew premature lambs in biobags, an artificial womb filled with synthetic amniotic fluid. By 2023, multiple biotech startups in Japan, the UK, and Israel were racing toward full-scale human ectogenesis, the process of growing a fetus outside the human body from conception to birth. One Israeli firm, Ectolife, claims it could grow 30,000 babies a year in artificial pods. Their prototypes promise perfect conditions: oxygen, nutrients, even customizable genetics. And here's the kicker: they're not alone. Tech billionaires are funding this quietly, through longevity labs, AI biology firms, and experimental human enhancement projects, because they believe the womb is now a platform. So why break away from natural birth? Simple risk. Every year, over 300,000 women die from pregnancy-related causes. In parts of the world, maternal care is still deadly. Artificial wombs could end premature birth, eliminate genetic defects, offer an option for those unable or unwilling to carry children. For LGBTQ+ couples, solo parents, cancer survivors, ectogenesis is a reproductive revolution. And let's not ignore the elephant in the lab. Governments and defense sectors are interested too. Why? Because designing life in a lab has control, and control scales. But this brave new world raises questions no code can answer. Is a child grown in a pod still natural? Will parenthood be outsourced to subscription services? Who decides what genes to tweak and what a perfect baby looks like? Bioethicists warn artificial wombs could widen inequality, creating a class of children born into perfection, while others are not. Some philosophers even ask, will humans eventually abandon pregnancy altogether? And if that happens, what happens to motherhood, or family, or even our definition of being human? Whether artificial wombs become normal or stay taboo, they are coming. They may solve problems but also fracture traditions. They may offer life, but also raise questions about its meaning. The real question isn't just, can we grow babies in machines? It's, should we? And if we do, will we lose something sacred in the process? Or will we finally control the most mysterious force we've ever known? So brain cell ballers, would you be okay being born in a pod? Would you raise a child who never touched a womb? Or will artificial birth feel as normal to the next generation, as smartphones are to ours? We want to hear your brainwaves in the comments. Tap that like button if your neurons are still processing this, and hit subscribe if you want to keep riding this wild neuro future with us, from artificial intelligence to artificial life itself. Stay conscious.